Hey there, welcome back to Ease of Programming channel. So in the previous video, which we can find in the description, we worked on building this mini project that has the CRUD operations, which is get by ID, delete, put, post, create user. So we saw how to create this and run it in Postman. So in this video today, we are going to ameliorate a little bit this project by adding what we call the env environment, env files. In the env files, we put all our parameters that can be changed depending the environment where the application will be run. So it's very helpful to avoid hard coding parameters in the code like this. So we want to have something like this: host and port. So we have many solutions for that. The best way I find and I used in my career as a software developer using Golang is using a package which is the godotenv. So the first thing we're going to do is to import that package, github.com/joho/go.env. So as you see, most of the packages in Golang are hosted in GitHub, so this is a good thing. And we're gonna go and do something like go mode td to import the package and put it in the go.sum. Here we go. So next thing we're gonna do is to create a file in our project, which is, we name it .env, and here we are going to store our key value parameters. So the first thing you're going to do is app name, which is going to be CRUD, which stands for create, read, update, and delete API. And then we have app host, which will be in our case local host. And we have app, of course, the port where our application needs to be run. In this case we have 8080. And the last one, we're gonna track our progress for this application. Version, need to put a version of our application. In our case we're gonna have 1.0.0. all right. So when you do so, there's a couple of things you gotta do. Is to put this .env file in the git ignore file. We don't wanna put our secrets or our passwords in the GitHub, for example, when you push your code. So the best advice to do is to duplicate this one or create a new one. Name it, for example, env-example, and put your values. This will help developers or other users to use your application in their environment. So if you have any secrets or something, let's say you have, for example, password for like this. You are not going to put your password, just put something like this: your password here, like this. And the user or developer gonna use this will know that this is gonna put his password. So let's go back to our main. So as here it says imported but not used, so we're gonna use this package. So after that we need to load our values using go.env. So we have here error go.env.load. So it's going to load all the environment variables, and then track the error. If error different nil, then as we did before, ban with error. Alright, if everything goes well, so go.env has a function that returns a map which we are going to use to read our environment variables. So we need to declare an env map like this with error and equal go.env read. Alright, so we have here, as we did before, if there is error somehow, read the error. So in this case we are going to need to use the host and the port. Let's do something like this. We have env map with app host concatenated with port. So we can do like something like this: env map app port. Alright, I think everything looks good. Let's try to run the app. Go run dot. Alright, something socket address we have here. Try again. Maybe this port is already used. Let's try again. Here we go. So we have our application running in localhost 88. So we can do the same thing. We can run test our application in the postman to see the results. So here we go. We have all everything looks good. Yeah. So this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you think that this tutorial helps you on something, or there is someone you know who needs this, share this video with your friends, and consider like for this video. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. There's a lot of tutorials and courses coming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.